What's up, guys? So I'm gonna talk about day 2 of my trip in St. Maarten. Day 2 was a little better. I mean, it was a lot better. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So we woke up in the morning. We started off the day with eating at this restaurant on the property. I had some chicken. It came with vegetables and rice. It was alright. You know, the chicken was a little tough, you know, but it was still good at the same time. After that, we decided to rent a car. So we rented a car from Friday up to Sunday. It came up to $136 for the whole trip. Yeah, did that. It wasn't too far from the resort. The airport isn't too far from that. You know, if anybody's trying to decide, you know, if it's close or not. But from there, we went back to the resort. We attempted to go into the pool, but the pool was extremely cold. And then on top of that, the pool is actually 5 feet. They have a little section next to the bar where it's 2 feet, but the rest of the pool is just 5 feet. So, you know, if you're traveling with a short girl or anything, you know, you're not really gonna be able to get in there and enjoy the pool. It's other pools on the property. It's like 4 other pools. I mean 3 other pools maybe. But you know, it's basically the same thing. They're all about 5 feet. They have one kiddie pool, but you know, that's designed for kids. So after that, we just decided to go to the beach because, you know, the resort is right there on the beach. So we went to the beach. The beach is pretty beautiful. It was pretty nice. It was a chill vibe. They have a free chair service where they bring the chairs to you, the beach chairs, so you can sit there and relax in the sun. And we just stayed there until it got late, you know what I mean? And just had a good time, listening to music, just sipped on some Henny. And that basically was about it. After that, we went, got dressed, and we went to the restaurant ASTRA that we tried to go to the day before. So this time, the service and experience was way different. We came through, we got greeted right away, we sat down, we ordered our food right away, and the main thing everybody go to ASTRA's for is for the lobster. So the lady brought us out to the ocean. We was able to pick up the lobster we wanted. She caught it right there. She brings it back inside. They allow you to take a picture with it, and then they cook it. I mean, that's the most fresh thing, you know, you could basically have. We had crab backs, stuffed crab backs, and mussels. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the mussels, they brought it out cold. We sent it back, it came back cold again, but you know, other than that, the lobster was pretty good, man. The lobster was big. We got these 3-pound lobsters. The one thing I will tell you is, it is really expensive. So the 2 lobsters, the 2 appetizers we had, and basically I think I just had water. I don't even know if I had a Sprite or whatever. But if I did or whatever, everything came up to $300. Also, the sides is not included. I think we had cream spinach and mashed potatoes. It was good though. It tastes real good, but you know, they charge you separate from the actual lobster. So we did that. It was a good experience. And also they put a service charge in it. So the service charge was like $40 to $60. The lobster itself at the time was $28 per pound. And you know, that's why it basically came up to a lot. So after that, you know, we left. We was no matter of fact, no, we had hookah while we was there too. They also sell hookah and different drinks and everything. So we had some hookah. We already had our liquor from, you know, before. We bought some bottles of Henny. And man, we was just turning up, man. We was ready to have a good time. So after that, we went down the block to the strip club. The strip club is called the Red Diamond. It was alright. I mean, if you've been to strip clubs in New York and maybe Atlanta, it's not the type of stuff that you used to. The strippers don't really interact with you that much on the floor. Basically, if you want any kind of dances or whatever, you have to go in the back room. But they have a stage in the middle of the club, and basically you can sit there and watch the strippers perform, throw money at them or whatever. The drinks was pretty decent. It was $12. But I will tell you, be careful if you're using your card, because they did charge me a little extra. I don't know if that's the thing they do or if they try to get over, I'm not too sure. But yeah, then at the end of the night, we went to the back room with this one stripper, and it's a menu on the tables that's, you know, sitting there in the club. And if you look at it, it tell you $30 a dance for one song. If you single, $40 for couples. So we went back there with a Spanish girl, and a lot of girls there, they're very slim. Like, they don't really have that much body, you know what I mean? If you like girls just a little on the thicker side, you really might not be happy going there. But they're more on the slim side, and it's some mixed variety. They had like 2 or 3 black girls in there, a couple Spanish girls, a couple white girls. You know, it was a mixed thing. But yeah, we went in the back, and we had a good time back there, you know what I mean? The stripper, she had like a real long clit. That's the crazy part that kind of, you know what I mean, bugged out. But you know, she had, you know, nice size ass, big titties, whatever. And the thing is, you know, they kind of get over on you because, again, the girl don't ask you how many dances, songs, or whatever you want. She just go back there and start doing her thing. So they're playing songs, but then it's, you know, DJ chopped up type songs. So they're not really playing the whole song. They're cutting it off, going into, you know, another song. It's like, you know, they're doing a little mix. But the girl is counting each song that they're doing it for. So long story short, at the end of the night, the girl tried to charge us for 4 songs. It was like $160 or something like that. And then I think to use your card, they had another $10 or whatever. No, I'm sorry, the tax was $10. You know, so I was a little upset about that, but you know, cause she didn't ask us from the beginning, like, yo, you know, how many songs you want to dance for, whatever. But other than that, man, we had a good time, man. We were drunk as hell, man. Went back to the, you know, the resort and just, yeah, you know what I mean, had a good night.